this journey wasn't about 10 riders heading to Malvan.
Wait a minute.
पूण एक लिव्हिंग एग्जाम्पल आलोलो हाव नो रायड एवर गोज एक्झॅक्टली एज प्लॅन. एक पावटी न्हू,
मातशें मुखार वचूं,
दोन पावटी न्हू,
कितें करूया वेल कीप इट समवेयर.
पूण जायते पावटी रावपाक पडलें. It was like destiny had planned a full show for us. In fact, one of our bike literally smoked up. But you think that was the climax? Nah re baba. The real chaos began after we reached home. And तें कितें तूं आतां हांव सांगपा ना. Just stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Technically, our ride began from Naveli. पूण आमकां आमगे आनी बॉय जॉइन जावपा आसलेले. सोमतो मुगे कॅमेरा वेर्ना स्टार्ट मारलो बिकॉज दॅट्स वेन द रियल मॅडनेस बिगेन.
So what is up YouTube? It's a new day, it's a new ride आणि असोच मदा सगळी बरी आसा म्हूण. And it is yet another Sunday fun day ride आणि आयज आमी वयताय खूंय ते जाणा मालवण.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
So a group of 11 riders are going and Akash is leading the way and I am the tail. आणि फर्स्ट टाइम एवर आमी कनेक्टेड आहाय इंटरकॉमाचेर, दॅट इज दिस डिवायस. हेचे आमकां कम्युनिकेशन करपाक बऱ्या पडटा. हँड सिग्नल्स कितें मुखार फाटल्यान सगळें आमकां सांगपाक मेळटलें न्हू रे आकाश?
येस, सारकें इजी जातलें आमकां.
बहुत ही बढ़िया.
अरे ग्रुप ब्रीफिंग घेता मरे.
अरे ना रे आकाश, ब्रीफिंग तूं घे रे.
अरे घे रे तू.
अरे हांवें केन्ना केलें ना.
मागीर आयज कर, जातलें रे तुजे कडेन.
ओके, बट कोंकणीन आनी इंग्लीश दोनी मातलो हां, पयलीं आतां आमकां सारकें जायना तें.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, I'll give my best. I'll try my best.
Oh yes. And for the first time ever, I was briefing the entire gang. फोटांनी मारपा वचना. अरे nervous जालो. But first time no. Asu, I gave it my shot and you guys tell me how I did it.
चलो भाई.
So good morning. So basically we are heading towards Malvan. I think we have to be very responsible on the road. First of all, no racing. Akash will be leading the way. I'll be the tail. So तेच मुखार कोण आसना काय, मुझ फाटल्यान कोण आसना काय. If suppose कितें आहा जाल्यार I'll be staying behind with you. Then we'll go forward. We'll be connected over the intercom. So कितें problem येता, whether we have to stop somewhere, we have to wait somewhere for someone. He'll be instructing. So hand signals सगळे खबर आहे. The basic signals. Yeah, left, right, stop. Okay, fuel up. Everything everyone knows. Okay. So just follow him. Whatever he does, you just pass it on so that I get the last message. One rider अन्य एकटा आसा आम join करतलो. So he'll be joining us in where? Panjim. Petrol pump akada. So after that we'll be heading straight towards Malvan. So briefing's done. I just pray to God to keep us safe all along the ride.
The ride had just started आणि इंगासान आमगे प्रॉब्लम स्टार्ट जाले.
पडलं? हां, ओवरफ्लो जावपाक शकता नाल्यार फ्लोट बीन. हय हय, मुखार थिंगसो येता कोणा आयडिया आहा जाल्यार.
अरे हे सगळे मुखार गेले मरे माझ्या.
हां गेले, तांकां सांगलो मरे. शी
पोवया मुखार रावता जाल्या.
फर्स्ट मिस्टेक मरे, तांकां सांगलो मरे तेज मुखार वचना काय आनी हें कोना काय म्हणून. We don't really know what's the problem for his R15M, but I hope it is all fine because leaving one member behind or one bike behind for us, it will be very saddening.
बड़ी दुविधा थी.
Now the problem that happened is our fellow riders, I don't know if they didn't get my instructions clear or whether I need to be more clear about whatever I was saying, because I clearly mentioned no one goes past the
अबे जल्दी बोल.
I was very clear enough that no one crosses the head and no one leaves behind with the tail. But right now what happened was Akash told me that he gave the hand signal to stop, but nahi hua.
What? How?
I don't know if I should be judging them, but yes, I'm doing that.
Forgive me and forget me.
But it's okay. Maybe it's their first group ride or this kind of thing, because we have to be a responsible riders, right? Not always about racing and all. And reaching the destination fast. We need to be more responsible because we are a big group now.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप.
This guy is asking me about his fuel.
Another round.
आणि आम एकू पावटी एशकोन उरलो नाही.
चोड लीक जाता गेला.
Sorry to say, but you will get this meme a lot of time in this video.
कित करूया वेल कीप इट समवेयर.
Another round.
पट्टा ना मरे ओके चोले त्याने बारीक 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 पट्टे ते गेले नेक्स्ट स्टॉपेज चेक करूया दैट इज द फन पार्ट ऑफ द राइड ओय कितना की जापा कुदे ओके वी आर स्टैंडिंग ऑफ फ्रॉम Panjim. So as you can see, the sun isn't risen up yet, or maybe it has already risen up, and we cannot see that. But आम्ही पाहिले अतल सेतू ब्रिजा चेर.
अरे अतल सेतू ब्रिजा पोंदा रे.
Okay, sorry, अतल सेतू ब्रिजा पोंदा.
Wait a minute.
पोंदा मला समते उदका मजा मला.
मस्त जोक मारा रे.
As we are heading towards Mopsa, we have to encounter this shit. But Topa Gilzala saw traffic na I so confident. I've been keeping a close eye on the R15, and yes, the petrol is leaking. Please comment down below if you know the problem and the solution as well. The only thing that we know is last night or the previous day, he just cleaned his throttle body. Other than that, he never had faced this problem. I don't know what could possibly go wrong, because we are not some bike experts. We are still learning. We are still in the learning phase. Oh, one pa lagle. It's already starting, huh?
बाल बच गया रे देवा.
आणि म्हापसा आमकां ऋत्विक रावतालो ऑन हिज एक्सपर्ट्स, probably wondering why 10 clowns were late for a planned ride.
Big fan, sir. Big fan. What's up? How are you? All good? कब आया था? हाँ, recording. Hello. Okay, yes, right save, okay? Yeah, okay. This guy is risking everything. I don't know. See, तेगे हानुते माग बिरांस्ता ए पेडोत म्हण.
मेरे को तो ऐसा धक हो रहा है.
So yes, we have started off with the ride now. So right now I'll be giving you the proper updates of the entire ride. We are 11 riders. Some of the riders are very new to me. As previously said, today new interactions, socializing. And actually we wanted to start our ride at 6 o'clock, but due to some delay we had to start it at 6:30. We started from Naveli. I guess how much किती rider आले रे आकाश? 8 of us.
या नावेली आम्ही 8 रायडर असले.
And later on we were joined by Rajesh and आमगे R15 boy.
राहुल रे तेगे नाव.
And now we are accompanied by Ritvik as well.
Now we were just hoping, maybe, just maybe, no more stops ahead. But
Another round.
Okay. पेट्रोल घातली तो. कितना टाइम बोल रहे? आणि 1 और 1 hour 40 minutes चले ना. Now as of now, I had halted because आमगे R15 boy तक पेट्रोल घालपा जायले. And we'll be joining them in about some time. I'm out of range from the intercom as well. So let's see where we will be meeting.
crossing Maharashtra, we were searching for a place where we can have a breakfast. And then
Another round.
Oh, किती झालं माशारा किती झालं आहे गेलं
परत रावले रे तुम्ही.
हो का R15 हा लेस आले दोरे पाला आला दोर हिंगा दोर और फ्यूल पॉट म्हणून येतात गेला फ्यूल पॉट म्हणून येतालो but he is keeping his bike here.
I got you, homie.
Okay, the pit stop is here and we are stopping here at Khalsa Punjabi Dhaba.
हेलो फ्रेंड चाय पी लो.
post breakfast we finally aimed straight to the destination. बारीक पाऊस आणि दुलाचो रस्तो was quite okay until this happened.
Another round.
Much later.
Finally आणि तुमकां हेचो breakdown मेळपाना in this ride. So enjoy the rest of the journey.
साहेबा मजा चड त्रास दिल तुमकां हांवें खरें सांगता म्हाका खबर आहा व्हिडिओ एडिट करपा येसो जाल्यार चड जावपा आहा म्हण बट आसूं हांव जाणा तुमकां सोंसून घेतो म्हण आनी बरो करून व्हिडिओ चोयतो.
Love you.
सो फ्रॉम हियर नाव आतां आनी कितू डिस्टन्स उरला आनी एक 1 hour 10 minutes एश उरलाय. सो फ्रॉम हियर आमी स्ट्रेट आतां मालवण वयतो बाबा आनी हांव इतलें मागोता आनी कांय जायना जाल्यार मोदें बिकॉज चड डिले जालो आज म्हळ्यार हांव खरें म्हळ्यार पावपा जाय आसलें बट आसूं आनी पावसूय मोदें कितें कोतासो खबर ना कितें जायत म्हण.
रायड स्मूथ वयताली बरें सुके आसलो आमी फूल चिल बट देन रेन डिसायडेड टू मेक इट्स हिरोईक एंट्री आनी आमकां सारको चिल करून गायलो.
जालें आतां येयलो पावस आतां चोय आतां ओले कोन्न घातलो आनी मागीर रोकडो वयतलो बट इट्स ओके आनी आमी थोड्या तरी मातशें चिल जावपा जाय आहलें आफ्टर ऑल दॅट वी हॅव फेस्ड ऑल अलोंग द वे. कोरया हँडल कोरया हें, बट हांव मातशें स्लो वयता कित्याक एसो टर्नाचेर आनी ऑयल बी रोखडी रिलीज जाता, मिनींग फर्स्ट ट्रेन आनी ऑयल रोखडी वयर येता न्हू रस्त्याचेर, सो वी आर ट्रायंग टू गो बीट स्लो. हिंग आनी कोण पळया मागीर बेश्टें जाता मागीर.
बिल्कुल रिक्स नहीं लेने का.
As we entered the buzzing market area, all the locals were staring at us like we were some foreign film crew.
कुछ भी.
खरें सांगता सारकें celebrity feeling येलें. So we did the most Indian thing ever. Stopped at a petrol pump for fuel and some much needing breathing space.
This was probably the last pit stop before reaching the Malvan beach. आणि आतां 5 मिनटांनी वा 2 मिनटांनी आमी पावपा जाय बिचीचेर. म्हाका जाय चोवपा बीच सारकी. शी बाबा जालें पुरो, चड रायड केल्यान चड टायम गेलो आमगेलो सारको. शी.
मैं तो थक गई भाई.
The beach was closed, and after all the madness, आमगे दोळे सारके आशेताले to see one peaceful sight.
And there you go, we have finally reached the Malvan beach. Wow, what a rhyming. Finally reached the Malvan beach. वाह. So इंसान चोया आता आनी कितें प्लॅन जाताय ते. So फिलहाल के लिए मातशें रावताय आनी मातशें टायम स्पेंड कोताय हिंगाच.
After reaching here, there was nothing to do. GTA 6 shooting जाल्यार चलतालें हिंगा. But other than that, there was this magnificent piece of art which came to our notice. आणि आमी तेंच केलें जें एक हुंयचो बॉयज ग्रुप करतलो. Turned our bikes and headed towards it. 5 minutes in, we reached. And what a beauty. This wasn't just a ride to Malvan. It was a reminder that no matter how well you plan, war road आणि climate कोणागे ऐकना. Rain-soaking few minutes to dusty detours. This journey tested our patience. And तेच limit तू मुको इचारिना काय. पूण आमक स्टोरीज इल्यो which we can laugh for years.
Wow, क्या लड़का है. Very handsome boy.
आमकां रायडर्सांक perfection फकत एकूत. It is more about brotherhood, the thrill of the unknown and the bond we share on these two wheels. And for everyone watching, this is what a real ride looks like. Unpredictable, messy, आणि विसरून जायना ते सोली.
That's it for the day, guys. It's been an amazing ride. Make sure to That's it for the day, guys. It's been an amazing ride. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more motor vlogs. Till then, peace out and
बस इतना ही बोलना था ना. बस हमको फोर्स किया गया है बोलने को. पैसा नहीं दिया हमको अभी तक.
तुम घरा को येन कित जाल ते सांगपाक उरलो मिस्टर.